What is up guys, Stan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a meeting room in Google Calendar. So first you need to head over to the Google Calendar's website, and after that you need to select the date that you want to keep the meeting to, or on the day that you want to keep the meeting on, just select that day and then hover your mouse there on that date and then just drag it and drop it here. And after that a pop-up window will appear wherein you need to enter your meeting title. And after entering the meeting title, you need to enter the meeting date. You can even add guest by just typing their email, and you can add Google Meet video conferencing if you want, and you can add the location if you want the physical meeting, and you can add a description or Google Drive attachment for this meeting. And when you are done, you can just click on more options, and from here are some multiple settings that you can alter and set according to your wish and requirement. And when you are done, simply click on save. And as you can see, this meeting has been saved and is booked. So this is how you can book a meeting room in Google Calendar. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.